Hello, I am Editor Than Mai. I will provide you with the latest information of the day. Experts reveal the exact LSD dose that can ease anxiety for weeks. A pharmaceutical form of the hallucinogenic drug LSD could offer a significant new treatment for severe anxiety, with a recent study suggesting a single 100 microgram dose may alleviate symptoms for weeks. Experts have described the findings as potentially paradigm-shifting for individuals suffering from generalized anxiety disorder, GAD. The research focused on MM120, a newly developed, pharmaceutically optimized dissolvable LSD tablet. The trial investigated its impact on patients diagnosed with GAD, a prevalent mental health condition that causes persistent and excessive worry about various aspects of life. Those affected often experience symptoms including difficulty sleeping, muscle tension, gastrointestinal issues, heart palpitations, and heightened irritability. Currently, GAD treatment in the UK typically involves talking therapies or antidepressant medications, such as SSRIs. This Phase 2b study, spearheaded by MM120 developer MindMed and published in the journal JAMA, enrolled nearly 200 patients aged between 18 and 74 who had a GAD diagnosis. Groups were either given single doses of 25 micrograms, 50 micrograms, 100 micrograms, or 200 micrograms. Anxiety levels were measured using a Hamilton Anxiety Rating Scale (HAM-A) score after a week, 2 weeks, 4 weeks, 8 weeks and 12 weeks. Clinicians also rated anxiety severity using the Clinical Global Impression Severity (CGIS). The trial found the 100 microgram dose demonstrated an acute therapeutic benefit and led to a statistically significant change in GAD that exceeded the changes seen with lower MM120 doses or with placebo. The effect of the drug on anxiety was evident after 1 day and carried on through to week 12. Researchers said CGIS scores on average improved from 4.8 to 2.2 in the 100 microgram dose group, shifting from markedly ill to borderline ill at week 12, compared with 4.9 to 3.5 in the placebo group. Most people involved in the study experienced mild to moderate hallucinations on dosing day, which had resolved itself in 12 hours. These effects were more frequent among those who had taken 200 micrograms. Study author Maurizio Fava, a member of the MindMed Scientific Advisory Board and chair of Mass General Brigham Department of Psychiatry, said, "This study is a true turning point in the field of psychiatry. For the first time, LSD has been studied with modern scientific rigor, and the results are both clinically meaningful and potentially paradigm-shifting for the treatment of GAD." MindMed is now conducting a number of Phase 3 trials using MM120 on patients with GAD. Voyage was launched in December 2024, while the second study, known as Panorama, dosed its first patient in January. Voyage will include around 200 people in the US, while Panorama will be carried out in the US and Europe on around 250 patients. Data from Voyage is expected in the first half of next year, followed by data from Panorama in the second half of 2026. In April, MindMed also announced the start of Emerge, a Phase 3 trial looking at MM120 as a treatment for major depressive disorder, with data set to be published in the second half of 2026. Please like and subscribe to wait for the next information. Goodbye and see you again.